Hi everyone, welcome to Cutie's Fun. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a puppet, so come with me and I'll show you. So right now what I've been doing is I've got this sheet of paper, but on the other side I've drawn a dimple, if you can see. So I used it matters how big you want it. So I'm going to try and make one. I've never made one before, so I'm going to try. But I think what you have to do is, so press it down, put a pen circle, around it. Like that. And then I think what I'm going to do is cut it out. That's lucky I have scissors. So yeah, this is what I've done. I'm making this fidget. I have no idea what it's even going to be. So here we go. So you must be able to have a circle, but any kind of circle. And then what you do is you want to see, and then what you're going to do is grab your pen. So you're going to put a line like that. So that's what you're going to do. And then you're going to grab it and you get your scissors and then like that. And then you're going to weep around it. That's a sharp one. I don't even know if that will pop. Okay, so if you want to come with me to come and get the tape, so come on, come with me. Right here. Good taste. That tastes good. So now what you're going to do is go, if you can see here, you're going to go where the line is and take one over and circle it around, if you can see. And if you are going on holiday, and tell me where you're going, because I'm going to Tenerife on next week on Friday. And maybe if you are going there, maybe we might meet there together. Yay. So if you got like one piece sticking out like that, that's easy. That's easy. And then you're going to cut it. I think it's very annoying when you have these little things stuck on your scissors. I don't even know if tastes nice. Like, I call it tape because it tastes. Because T stands for taste. Why should I even put that there? And if you don't know, I'm sitting on my iPad. That's so annoying. Can't get it off. Oh. I think if you wet tape, it might be on there. So now you must be able to have one like this. Then grab a sheet of paper. And so what you're going to do, I'm going to do a demonstration. Or you could like trace it or something like this. Oh gosh, rubbish. I've got like one thing in my mind. Oh, by the way, guys, subscribe and hit the bell. Yeah. Down. So you're basically just tracing it. Or you can trace a real simple dimple, but I've just took the hard way. If you have no fidgets, just follow how I do it. I don't even know if I'm in the right, oh gosh, I'm not even in the right spot. There you go. So I've got one big and one small. So now what you're going to do is, what you got to do is grab your poppet. If you want it like one, you can have it like one of them fidget what goes up like that, and then you would pop it in and out. Or you can either have it like that, like a simple dimple. But what you're going to do is put it down like that.
What? Thursday morning. Oh.
And then you're going to trace it.
You go to sleep Thursday morning? No.
And then you're going to trace it. You're going to trace it like that.
Yeah, I've got that delivery to Adam.
And then you're going to see if it
Can't get
fits.
there Thursday morning.
Lunchtime.
12:30 tomorrow.
Like that. And then you're going to
Right, let's do 12:30 tomorrow.
grab it and fold it. Then it's equal. I don't think mine is not even equally. Just make sure it's equally and fold your paper. That. But mine isn't equally because I need half there and half there. I think we should name the tape. I don't know why, but I think we should name him. I don't even know why. I'm very hard this. Oh, that's pretty good. I didn't think of it like that. And then you're gonna So now you must be able to fit your circle in. And what you're going to do is, I don't know, guess what? You have to put it on and stick it. Do anything to stick it on, but I just find it. So yeah, if you want to carry on with this video, please subscribe, and then on the next video we're going to fill the next one in. But what you got to do is finish putting your tape on it, and then you're done. And bye, have a good day. Stay safe.